Hi folks, Ralph from Driveways Plus Pressure Washing here, down in Tampa Bay, Florida. Today I'm cleaning a paver pool deck in Palm Harbor, and my biggest concern is keeping the dirty water out of the pool. This paver pool deck is pretty level on this side of the pool, and the water collects, and sooner or later it's going to run right over. Here's a little trick I use. I lift the edge of the surface cleaner on the opposite side and blow the water towards the drain. I'm using my Whisper Wash Extreme, my favorite surface cleaner. If you're in the market for a surface cleaner, this is the one I would recommend. I've used a bunch of them and I always come back to Whisper Wash. As you can see, these pavers are extremely dirty. You don't want that in the pool. I want that pool to look just like that when I leave. No muck at the bottom, no dirty water, no nothing. The pitch of the pool on this side is a lot better. You can see the water running away from the edge. The other side, it just sits there and it's getting ready to go over. Here I'm using my turbo nozzle to do this side of the pool since it's a little too small for the surface cleaner. The water would definitely get in the pool on this side. Gotta have all the right tools to do the right job. Dirty water was trying to get in the pool, got to rinse it away. Sneaky, sneaky. Here I'm just doing a little touch up with the turbo nozzle. In this coping, I'm going to take a pump up sprayer full of chlorine and treat it, get those black stains out of it. Those are embedded in the brick. You can't get them out with pressure washing. You can see them there. Right there. Give her a quick rinse. Then I'm going to post treat this deck with some chlorine, SH, pack up my truck, let it sit there for a while, and then come back and take the aftershocks. Thanks for watching. On to the next.